Meet the MaAnt P22A, superconducting universal stylus, your new go-to tool for precise electronic measurements. With its sleek black and red design and sharp gold-plated tips, this stylus ensures accurate readings every time. Flexible silicone cables and an ergonomic grip make it comfortable for long testing sessions. Whether you are working with multimeters, oscilloscopes, or intricate circuit boards, scan the QR code in the upper right corner to check the price and delivery options. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more reviews and great finds. Key features include 4 extra probes, 4 pen sponges, 20 amp capacity,